One, two, three. Hey, hey. Are you are you still purchasing your game keys? What? Who does that? Who purchases? Why purchase when you get them for free? They're gone. Hello everyone, it's me, your friendly neighborhood snow spirit, bringing you the scuffiest of scuffed videos on how to get some free game keys that I get quite often from 3 wonderful platforms that I have tested and have received keys from, as well as the bonuses that are mentioned in these sites. So without further ado, welcome to the scuffiest of videos, and we're gonna start with our wonderful Keymailer. Keymailer is a popular platform designed to connect game developers and content creators. Content creators can sign up and link their platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok to their Keymailer account. Game developers often provide free game keys to creators based on their platform's reach and niche relevance. The platform is user-friendly and helps you request game keys for specific titles you'd like to play. Like, I recently got a key for Fae Farm when it was released, and I was like super excited, and it's such a fun game. I was like, yeah. I was like, oh my goodness! So yeah. The platform is user-friendly, interface helps you request the games, like I said, and Keymailer also offers analytics to help you track your performance and growth, which is super helpful. So the next one on our list is Lurkit. It's another excellent resource for content creators looking for free games and more. It offers various tools and services to support streamers, including a game key marketplace, as you see here, as well as it has the little option to check off, only show the ones that you are eligible for, so that way you're only requesting keys that you have a high likelihood of receiving. Content creators can find game keys from both indie and AAA developers. Lurkit provides a tracking system to manage your keys and ensure you meet the developer's requirements. It's a great place to discover new games and connect with the developers and publishers interested in promoting their game. Now here's the third one. This is the one that I've been having the most fun with. We have a Dare Drop. A Dare Drop is a platform dedicated to bringing creators and developers together and helping them discover and get access to game keys and other promotional opportunities. It offers a curated selection of games. Oh, here we go. It offers a curated selection of games available for content creators to request keys. What sets Dare Drop apart is the unique Dare feature. You can accept dares for games you're interested in and receive the key to complete the dare. These dares can be challenges or objectives that are set by the developers or publishers, adding an exciting twist to your gaming content. Dare Drop also offers and hosts events where, if you successfully complete the dares, you're entered into a lottery for a chance to win a gift card of various amounts. So right now they have their Droptober, where you can win a Steam gift card of $10, $25, or $50. In these events, though, you need to already own the game or use one of the games that they have listed that are free to play. So in October there's like 3 free to play games, as well as other games like Phasmophobia, Demonologist, and Texas Chainsaw Massacre, which obviously you either would already need to have to do those dares or purchase the games. Again, these events are completely optional, as well as any of these regular dare drops. It's optional on which ones you decide to want to complete, and you have to complete it within the time frame that they have allotted you. Dare Drop also hosts these events. It's an excellent way not only to get free game keys, but to also engage your audience with the exciting challenges and potential win rewards for your efforts. So when you do a regular Dare Drop, when you grab the dare, so here's Maniko's Night Market. So if you were to do a noob dare and you complete and submit it and it's approved, you would get Maniko's Night Market dead mobile wallpaper for one of your viewers. So not only do you get a key, but you can get some goodies for your community as well. So for a new one, it would be a mobile wallpaper. If you did legendary, which is super hard, you would actually get a copy of the Steam key to give out to your community, which is fabulous. And I have completed dares and have gotten Steam keys, so I know it is completely legit. So I will add all of the links down into the description box, so all the links to these websites will be there, as well as I will add the Dare Drop Discord as well, so you can get into that. So yeah, so there you have it, 3 great platforms where you can get your game keys to enhance your content free. Whether you are a streamer or content creator, these platforms can help give you access to exciting games and opportunities. Remember to use these resources responsibly and to support the developers who provide these keys. If you found this video helpful or have any suggestions, tips, or tricks, or any other sites that you'd like me to check out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content creation and VTubing tips, as I'm going to start making more videos on my VTubing journey and how I got to where I'm at and where I hope to go, and my journey along that, on where I'm getting my assets, my VTuber, and all that jazz. So yeah, come follow along. So thanks for watching and happy gaming, my friends.